This pink microscope sees the unseenable? SWIFT SW380T review with insane 2500x zoom. Feeling stuck staring at blurry blobs under a dusty school lab microscope? Been there. You squint, adjust the knob, again, pray to the science gods, and still, your specimen looks like abstract art. Whether you're a student sweating over lab reports, a hobbyist chasing elusive protozoa, or a clinician with zero time for tech that doesn't work, the pain is real. You want sharp. You want smooth. You want clarity that hits harder than your caffeine-fueled all-nighter. But all you're getting? Strain, struggle, and wasted slides. Cue the neck cramps and the scientific heartbreak. Deadlines breathing down your neck? Brain fried from micromanaging microscope drama? It's not just a microscope, it's a microscope mess. Janky gear, lost focus, clunky software. Welcome to a world where magnification means magnified stress. And when your lab partner is filming TikToks instead of helping, the pressure hits new levels. Opportunities to publish? Poof. Learning momentum? Derailed. You don't just need a tool, you need a game changer. The old microscope isn't cutting it, and burnout's knocking loudly. Enter the SWIFT SW380T, the microscope that low-key slays. This isn't some dusty relic with a lightbulb from 1983. The SW380T is a futuristic flex in pink, rocking a fully rotatable Siedentopf head, ergonomic tilt, by neck pain, and 6 levels of silky-smooth magnification up to a ridiculous 2500x. Add an 18MP Swiftcam camera with USB 3.0 speed and multi-OS software? You're basically live-streaming cell mitosis in 4K. Whether you're in class, clinic, or nerd lab heaven, this beast delivers pro-level clarity without the soul-crushing price tag. One click and you're zooming into micro-worlds like a boss. Streamlined, focused, effortless, finally, a microscope that gets you. With dual wide-field eyepieces, intuitive controls, and lab-grade mechanics, your slide game just leveled up. Think. Precision focus with buttery smooth knobs, plug-and-play compatibility, and visuals so crisp they'll make you tear up, in a good way. Students are passing exams with flying colors, hobbyists are making TikTok science go viral, and professionals are reclaiming their time. Ready to ditch frustration and start magnifying what actually matters? Slide into the future, literally. Why wait? Your micro-renaissance starts now. Join the thousands who've already switched to Swift and never looked back. But listen. Stock's not infinite and demand's going viral, pun intended. Stop settling for pixelated mediocrity. Start seeing the unseeable, capturing the invisible, and flexing your lab cred like never before. Click to buy, subscribe for more microscope madness, and share this with your fellow science nerds. Don't just look, discover. Your next obsession is one specimen away.